Everyone, now I'm with Sofirn HS21 here. After I have been using this headlamp for a while, I think this is one of the best headlamp of this year. Okay, I really like it because you get 4 types of light: spotlight, floodlight, combination of throw and flood, and then red light. And here it is a rotary switch on the headlamp. This is my first time to have this kind of headlamp with rotary switch, and here is the main switch to turn on, turn off. It also comes with hand movement sensor here. Okay, you can use your hand to adjust the brightness. Okay, this is very good. The battery inside 18650 battery. The main light here SFT40 about 6500K. In my opinion, it would be great if it is about 5000K. And here the floodlight and also the red light here. Okay, let's have a look at the lumens data. For the lumens data, okay, there are a lot of information here. I will talk about turbo, high, and medium of each type of light. Okay, Okay, if you want to look at the other information about Lumens data, you can have a look at the video description. Okay, for the turbo mode of the floodlight, 1200 lumens, and then it stepped down to about 500 lumens. 1200 lumens, that lasts about 2 minutes, and then when it stepped down to 500 lumens, that lasts about 140 minutes here. Okay, for the high mode 500 lumens, it lasts about 2 hours 25 minutes. Okay, and medium 150 lumens, it lasts about 10 hours. For the spotlight maximum is 2000 lumens, that lasts about 2 minutes, and then it stepped down to about 1000 lumens, that lasts about 90 minutes. Okay, for the high mode 1000 lumen, that lasts about 10 minutes, and then it stepped down to about 800 lumen, that lasts about 90 minutes. For the medium 400 lumens, that lasts about 6 hours. Okay, 6 hours. Let's go to spotlight and floodlight. Okay, for spotlight and floodlight turbo, okay, this is the maximum, 2200 lumens. It lasts about 2 minutes, and then it stepped down to about 1000 lumens, that lasts about 90 minutes. High 1000 lumen, okay, it lasts about 8 minutes, sorry, and then it stepped down to about 650 lumens, that lasts about 150 minutes. And medium 400 lumens here, okay, that lasts about 3.5 hours. Okay, 3.5 hours. And for the red light, okay, red light turbo, it is 100 lumens, that lasts about 5 hours. Okay, high mode, okay, high mode 50 lumens, that lasts about 12.5 hours. And medium it's about 20 lumens, and that lasts about 29 hours. Okay, this is about the lumens data. Okay, you can have a look in more details at my video description. And this one, I think it gives quite a good constant brightness because it uses buck driver here. It's a buck driver. Okay, let's see how this flashlight work. Okay, about its UI. To use this flashlight, there are two types of switch. This is the main switch, and this is the rotary switch. Rotary switch, you use it to adjust, to select the types of light that you want. For the rotary switch, you have to be careful about sand, dust, something like that. Okay, let's have a look at the UI. One click to turn on here, one click to turn off. The flashlight has memory function. It can memorize all the modes, okay, all the brightness. One click to turn on, one click to turn off. When it is on, press and hold to adjust the brightness. Okay, low, medium, high, turbo. Okay, here like this. When it is off, if you want to access moon mode, just press and hold here. Okay, the flashlight can also memorize moon mode. This is very good. Okay, okay, when it is on, rotate. Okay, the rotary switch choose to select the types of light that you want. Okay, this is floodlight. Okay, and this is about level 2 here. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. This is level 3. Okay, you can rotate it, okay, like this, and then go back to the last memorized brightness. This is very good. All types of light can memorize the brightness level. This is very good. Okay, and this is spotlight. This is combination of throw and flood. This is red light. Okay, here red light also has 4 brightness level. Okay, and it also has blink mode. Okay, just double click here. You can see here. Okay, blink mode. This is very good. Okay, like this. One click. Okay, we'll go back. Okay, here. Each type of light has memory function. This is very good. Okay, if you want to access hand movement mode, okay, from on, 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here. See that? Here. Like this. If you want to turn this function, just block the sensor here for 3 seconds, and then it will turn off. Okay, that's it. Okay, very easy to use. If you want to lock this flashlight, just 2 clicks from off. 1, 2 here. This is locked. Okay, now it is locked. If you want to unlock the flashlight, just 2 clicks from off. 1, 2 here. Okay, this is unlocked. Okay, very easy to use. Okay, and really good headlamp. I recommend it. Okay, let's walk around and see some beam shots. Okay, everyone, now I'm with Sofirn HS21, okay, in my dark forest. This is the low mode, okay. I want to show you spotlight and floodlight first because I think you will use this mode quite often if you go into the forest because it gives you really good throw and good spill. Okay, this is level 1, okay, level 1, the low mode. Actually, there's also a moon mode, okay. Level 1, okay, it's good enough for walking around, okay, quite good, really good spill. See that? Wow, no cut edge, okay, really good spill and really floody and really good throw. I can walk around in my forest using this mode, okay, very good beam. For running, maybe you have to go to medium here, okay, if you want to run. But in my opinion, this headlamp may not good for running because it is a bit heavy at the head, okay, it may shake, okay, but I think if you want to use it for trail running, I think it's still fine, okay, but you have to find a good headband, okay, that that can support the headlamp so that it won't shake on your head. Okay, this is okay, medium, okay, is the mode that I will use in my forest. Okay, quite good brightness, okay, not too bright, okay, very good. Okay, let's go to high mode. Here, high mode. Wow, see that? Very good. Actually, high mode is enough for me. Okay, I don't need turbo. It's very bright turbo. Turbo seems to step down to about high or a little bit lower than high, but still brighter than medium. Okay, let me show you the turbo. Okay, let's see it together. Double click here. Okay, this is the turbo mode. Okay. Turbo seems to last about 90 seconds and then it gradually step down to about high and then high also step down, okay, also step down, but still brighter than medium, okay, here, very bright. The temperature here is about 25 degrees Celsius now. The winter, the cold wind just come today, okay. When I turn on the turbo mode, it is not too hot to hold. Okay, very good. This is spotlight and floodlight. Okay, together. I think here it gradually step down. Okay, it gradually step down. It's about 1 minute now. Okay, 1 minute now. Here, it seems to step down to about high now, okay, and then it will gradually go lower than high, okay, but still very good brightness. Actually, medium is enough, okay. I guarantee medium is enough, okay, no problem at all. Oh, it is quite hot now, but I can still hold it, okay, no problem. This is about spotlight and floodlight, okay, spotlight and floodlight. Let me show you the floodlight, okay. Oh, sorry, this is red light. Okay, let's talk about red first, okay. I think red is good. Red is quite bright. This is the highest of the red, okay. I guarantee that you can walk around in the forest using red one, okay, red light. Here, some bugs here, okay. Insect doesn't like red light, but sometimes in my forest, red light cannot stop insect. I don't know why. Okay, here you see that there are some bugs here. Okay. Okay, let's go to floodlight. Okay, floodlight. Let me rotate. Okay, here this is floodlight low. Okay, low. Good enough for walking around. Okay. Let's go to medium. Here, medium, okay, here. I think medium is fine for walking around the forest, okay. Really good beam and really good tint, okay. And then high here, wow, you see that? Okay, if you want to walk around in your forest, okay, for the floodlight, I think medium and high is good, okay. Let's go to turbo. Here, turbo is very bright, you see that? Wow. Really good beam. Okay, very floody. Okay, let me show you spotlight. Oh, sorry. Here, this is spotlight. This is the highest of the spotlight. Okay, the spotlight, the LED is SFT40. Okay, here, very good throw. Actually, you can walk in the forest using spotlight because there's still some spill here. You see that? Wow, this is very good. Okay. Okay, this is about spotlight. Okay, for the spotlight, I think I have to show you. This is the highest mode. Okay, this is the low. Okay, low. I can walk around in the forest with low. Medium is fine. Okay, quite bright. Very good. Medium, and then this is high. Okay, spotlight high. Wow. Very good. And then double click for turbo here. Very good beam. You can use it to walk around in the forest. Okay, spotlight, because there's some spill here. Okay. Okay, let me go back to spotlight and floodlight. Okay, here, low, medium, high. Okay, I will stay at high. Okay, overall for this headlamp, I think it's really good. Okay, very good. I recommend it. Okay, I think you should have one because good size and good beam. You get everything in here. The UI is good. Okay, there's also red blink, but there's no strobe for the white light, but that's enough. Okay, really good beam. I think it may be the best headlamp of this year, in my opinion. Okay, things for improvement maybe just about the first one about the spotlight. In my opinion, it should be SFT40 5000K, something like that. Okay, 5000K would be great. And for the headband, I think Sofirn should upgrade the headband. Okay, use one with better quality, because the current headband now, I think it's quite it is not firm on your head. Okay, when you run it, the headlamp may shake on your head, something like that. Okay, I think the headband should be upgraded. Okay, and if possible, the battery should be upgraded too, maybe to about 3500 milliamp or even 4000 milliamp. Okay, to make this headlamp like a pro version, something like that. Okay, that would be great. Okay, overall, I recommend this headlamp. It is very good. Okay, good driver, buck driver. Okay, the brightness seems constant at about a medium or a little bit higher than medium. This is enough for using in the forest. Okay, very good beam. I have to say that I love it. I love it very much, and I will use this one. Okay, because I get everything in here. Okay, it also has hand movement sensor so that you can adjust the brightness using your hands. Okay, very good. I recommend this one. Okay, I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.